Hey guys, it's Emmanuel here, the Enthusiastic Coder, and today we are making another Scratch video, and this one is on making a clicker game, and I'm very excited to do it. So yeah, I know it looks like my lights are actually not on, but they are, just they're slowly dying, and I need to replace the batteries, so I will do that next. And yeah, I would have given an example. I would have shown the outcome before we actually start getting to the coding, but for some reason the software that I used to do it wasn't working, and I know you're surprised how I'm saying this now before I do it or before you watch it, but I film these things after I do the video because it's a lot easier. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so now without further ado, let us begin. Okay, so first things first, we need to go to events. So we're not going to use a when green flag clicked. We don't need to. What we can already start off with is a when the sprite clicked. And you may be asking, why am I not starting with actually designing the sprite? We can actually get into that later. But let us get to the coding part first. Okay, so we'll have when the sprite clicked, which means that when we click the sprite, something will happen. And then we go to sound. So, no, the sound will be later on, so we won't need that. We'll go to looks, and we will go to change size by. Okay, so we won't change size. You can change it to whatever size you want. I will choose -7. And then we'll go to control and then add a wait block, which will add a certain amount of time that we wait. 0.1 seconds, perfect amount. And then now we'll go to a variables. Okay, a variable. So now comment down below if you want me to speak more about variables. I don't really know completely a lot about it, but I do have a Raspberry Pi book which does speak a bit about it, so yeah. Okay, so we'll go to make a variable, and let us call it score. Yes, that's how you spell score. Now we have this beautiful score right here. Okay, so we'll put the change my variable by 1, but it won't be my variable, it'll be score by 1, excuse me, and then it will be change size by 7. So the reason why it's the same thing is because it goes smaller and then it'll go bigger. That's why when you click it, it goes small, it decreases and then it expands. So negative, it will decrease, positive, it will expand. And then we'll go to, so this is optional. If you have a second one like the Scratch Cat, we're not gonna do a second one or anything, but if this video gets up to 10 likes, then I'll do a second part where I'll add more things, because basically now, just like I said in the introduction, I showed in the introduction, you just saw the very basics of it. So we won't go to the Switch costume, we'll go to the sound. So we need to go here, and then go to this, and there's no clicking sound. I'm not sure if there's a clicking sound. Okay, let me just... So there's no clicking sound, but honestly I'm not sure. So what I'll do is let me just choose, go to effects. Which one's a nice one? Okay, let's do the coin one. So we'll take the meow and then we'll take it away. Go to code, go to sound, and then do play sound coin until done. Let's just use start sound. Yeah, I don't think it makes a difference honestly, because it's such a short sound that even if you say until done, it won't make a difference. So basically now when you do this, it goes up. So now I've had not found a way, because when you press this, it does not go back. And when you do this, it also doesn't go back. But it's cool because when you do this, yeah. Okay, so now let's get to the really fun part and let's start decorating. Okay, so let us take away the sprite and then do this. Delete. And then let us add the outline. So I'm just gonna design like a normal button. Very simplistic, flat design button. We'll do 5 in thickness. This does not look like a circle. Okay, that looks a bit better. I want it to be green because green looks attractive for a button. Okay, this, and then that, and then this. Let's see. Okay, yeah, now I can see this. Okay. Let us check this. Oh, back. Okay. Let us make this gray. It's like a grayish color. Make it closer to the black. And then let us add a text. It says press me. Cool. Also, comment down below. I know I'm saying that like a lot. That's probably the most that is probably the one thing that I say the most often, if that's the sentence. But yeah, if you comment down below what you want me to do next, so that I can actually do it and kind of like make you guys happy and do the thing. If you want a tutorial. Also, we forgot to do this. We always do it the first thing in the video. So we'll change it to click a game. Yeah, click a game. Let's put exclamation mark because it's pretty cool. And let's make a capital. I like having a sentence where like every word, the first letter has a capital. Okay, so what you can do is that instead of having to make every single thing bigger, you can just make the entire thing bigger. So let us do 400. Okay, I think I like that size. You can already see, that is awesome. It's so cool how simple it is to make this. And yeah, that's the entire video. I'm honestly confused. No, not confused. Confused isn't a good word. I'm surprised. Yes, that's better. It's so cool how easy it was to make that. And it wasn't like it was just like some half-baked job. It was a full-blown thing. Like, I know it's very simple, but like, it was so cool. And it's just awesome. So, if you want to see more of these, I said if you want a part 2, 10 likes. And yeah, this is just my way of showing you, showing if I should do more of the thing. So yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe if you want to. And remember, have a good day. Peace.